Some of our calves have a cough, so today we're going to be treating them with some Draxxin KP. We're going to be taking their temperature, and we're also going to be doing the pour-on solution because we forgot to do that when we weaned. Draxxin is an antibiotic. It's about 1.2 cc's per hundredweight.
I think.
So she's getting 6. Is this sub-Q?
Holy fuck.
What?
What's the average temp of a cow?
Wasn't it like 102.6?
I'm at 105.
Oh my god, she's sick.
Yep. Okay, so it's a sub-Q. Squeeze the handle slowly.
Can I do the whole thing?
Yep, just like that.
Oh.
So he's not as sick. I think he went through his big sickness earlier. See that number?
3.6.
He probably weighs 900. So he's also 102. Get out of here.
103.2.